Are you worried about how to manage and maintain all the precautions needed after the schools reopen post-lockdown?
Welcome to the Sanitization and Disinfection Solutions program by Svasth Care, a unit of Pardo ID Solutions Private Limited, Hyderabad. Considering all the guidelines from WHO and Government of India, we have come up with the right course of action that every school has to follow to keep our children safe. Step 1. Every morning, bus needs to be disinfected with sodium hypochlorite or silver hydrogen peroxide. As soon as the disinfectant atoms come in contact with the coronavirus, the virus gets killed. Only students wearing masks are allowed inside the bus after their temperature check is done. Step 3. Each student should maintain physical distance while sitting in the bus to prevent transmission of the virus. Step 4. Before students enter their classrooms, school staff checks the temperature of every student and sends them to fogging machine to get their clothes sanitized. Each student then sanitizes their hands one by one and proceed further to their respective classes. Step 5. Before class starts, students and teachers should remove their masks and put on their face shields, as wearing masks for a longer time can lead to breathing issues. Step 6. As soon as the students leave the school, the staff sanitizes every corner of the school with disinfectant spraying machines. By regular practice of these steps, your students can be protected from the virus. For more details, contact mobile 9959 437 667, email info@svasthcare.com, visit www.svasthcare.com.